Model, 1997 Volkswagen Transporter 800 short wheelbase, 1.9 TD special camper conversion needs work project. Body, grey, camper. Mileage, 262,201. Engine, 1896 cc E2 DOD-ZDP. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Alternator needs replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Brakes don't work. Battery light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear camping area is nice. Features, 2 keys. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.